is the new syllabus for BA second year semester English literature students, and there have been prescribed only 8 units in total. Okay, the very first unit, unit first, forms of poetry. In the forms of poetry, definition and main features, but you have to focus on the all forms of poetry. So there are 8 in total, 8 forms of poetry. Unit first, the very first is the sonnet, the elegy, the ode, the epic, the ballad, the lyric, the dramatic, monologue and allegory. Okay, allegory, all these are the 8 forms of poetry. Unit first. In unit second, stanza form. Stanza form, there are prescribed only 4 stanza form. The heroic couplet, blank verse, the Spenserian stanza and terza rima. Okay, terza rima, only 4. In unit second, there are only 4 stanza form. Then unit third. Unit third, poetic device. Okay, unit third, poetic device. Just have a look once again. Unit first, forms of poetry. Unit second, stanza form, and unit third, poetic device. Means only the very short questions will be based on these unit 3. Poetic device is a structure, tone, T-O-N-E, tone, theme, rhythm, rhyme scheme, kinds of meter, stressed and unstressed syllables, figures of speech and irony, right? All these are different topics to be studied. So this was the pattern, this was the syllabus for your very short questions, and there are only 3 units of this section, unit first, unit second and unit 3, poetic device. Now unit fourth, this is the syllabus for unit fourth, short question. Unit fourth and unit fifth will be based on the short questions. Now here you have been given poets, okay, because this is the paper mainly related to the poets. So now unit fourth, and the poets are, first of all, William Shakespeare. Unit fourth will have only 3 poets. William Shakespeare, the sonnet of William Shakespeare is Let Me Not. Let me not to the minds, sonnet number 116. Okay, William Shakespeare, this poem is a sonnet, and the name of or the number of this sonnet is 116, and the name of the title of this sonnet is Let Me Not. It is a very small poem, William Shakespeare. Oh, in the very first you have been given an option, John Milton. John Milton poem, John Milton sonnet on his blindness, right? Unit 4's poets. Now the second one is, that was optional, second one is John Donne. John Donne's poem name is A Valediction Forbidding Mourning. Number third, Alexander Pope, and the name of Pope poem is Ode on Solitude. This is the syllabus for unit 4. All these are poets. Now again the poets, unit 5th, again it will be based on short questions. Thomas Gray, okay, just focus that unit 4th and unit 5th will not going to give you long questions, because you will be asked only short questions out of 4th and 5th unit. So just don't worry to look at the syllabus. Thomas Gray related to unit 5th, and the elegy, okay, elegy of Gray, elegy written in a country churchyard, very famous elegy. William Wordsworth, The World is Too Much with Us. You are also aware of Thomas Gray, William Wordsworth, and another poet is John Keats. The name of his ode is Ode to a Nightingale. Quote. So now 3 poets, optional that is, and again 6 poets. You are going to have 6 poets for your short questions, unit 4th and unit 5th. Now for long questions, unit 6th, right? Now it will be very important for you to be studied, because all the remaining units are going to give you long questions. Okay, you have to prepare long questions. Unit 6th, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Tennyson, break, 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 the name of his poem. Tennyson's poem, break, 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 and it is also optional. Another poetess you can study of Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Okay, Elizabeth Barrett Browning, and the name of her poem is How Do I Love Thee? How Do I Love Thee? It is also optional. Either you can prepare Tennyson or Browning for long question. Now second one is Matthew Arnold, Dover Beach. Arnold poem name is Dover Beach. This unit is for long question. Robert Browning, The Last Ride Together. It was Elizabeth Barrett and here Robert Browning. Okay, Elizabeth Barrett Browning was the wife of Robert Browning. So just don't get confused. Robert Browning's poem name is The Last Ride Together, related to your unit 6th. This is the syllabus. Now unit 7th, again poets, all these were Victorian poets, again poets, T.S. Eliot. So you can see that now your second SEM is completely based on poetry. Okay, poetry simply T.S. Eliot, Son of Man. Son of Man, and this extract belongs to his poem The Waste Land. T.S. Eliot poem The Waste Land, and here you have been prescribed only Son of Man, right? W.B. Yeats, that was Keats, and here is Yeats. The Lake Isle of Innisfree, the name of his poem. Unit 7th, W.B. Yeats, The Lake Isle of Innisfree. Now the last poet is Philip Larkin, modern poet, church going. Okay, Philip Larkin, church going. So all these were your 7th unit based on poems or poetry. Now the last unit is, in first SEM you had 9th unit, but here you have only 8th unit, right? And the last one, unit 8.1, it is also related to your long question, but it is not important because most of the questions are going to be asked only from either 6th one or 7th one. So this is a very interesting unit, because this kind of syllabus was prescribed only to MA students. So you are very lucky that you are going to have these kinds of rhetoric and prosody. Practical criticism. So both are very interesting, don't get worried. Unit 8, rhetoric and prosody and practical criticism. Introduction to practical criticism, long question, okay. And another one maybe, there may be one stanza from poetry for practical criticism. So this was your syllabus. Syllabus is this time unlike first SEM, this time your syllabus is going to be very interesting. You will never get bored. Okay, it is also not lengthy. It is also not lengthy. So this is your syllabus. Best of luck.